Hands-on training for the undergraduate students offers numerous advantages that contribute students' overall learning and skill development. Here are few of the key points. Hands-on training allows students to apply theoretical knowledge in real-world scenario. It bridges the gap between classroom learning and practical implementation, enhancing their understanding of concepts for fostering critical thinking skills. This active engagement promotes a deeper understanding of subject matters and helps students retain knowledge for longer periods. By hands-on training, students can acquire and refine the valuable skills in their respective field, whether it can be by handling the instruments or industry visit or group discussion, etc. These advantages collectively contribute to the well-rounded education and better prepare students for their future careers.